just want to tell you, if you don't get it, that's cool.
Hey, Bliss, can you run inside and grab us towels?
Why are you wet?
We were holding a car wash.
Why?
Money.
Yeah.
You made all of that from a car wash?
Sure did.
Kind of.
Yeah,
What did you do?
Oh, watch the footage.
don't show. It's okay. No.
Hey, it's Astrid Clover. With an episode so spicy, you'll need antacid. Today, Autumn and I are holding a car wash for some extra cash.
We stripped down to these little outfits to get more customers. Hey, we're strippers!
Don't say that.
Hey girls, I'm interested.
Beckett, you're clear.
What are you doing?
What was that?
Oh. Oh no. Oh no.
That's so fun!
Why didn't you just do it to parked cars?
Well, we were the distractions.
You don't have to distract them if nobody's there.
Can you just get the towels?
Can I have $20?
No.
I'll tell Mom and Dad you're committing felonies again.
What? Fine, give her 20. You're getting the towels, right? Bliss, oh, she's on her phone. Bliss, the towels.
She does this every time.